Ladies and gentlemen, if you clicked on this video, you're probably wondering what luxury real estate here in Manila, Philippines cost. So in this video, we're gonna do studio, premium studio, deluxe studio, 2-bedroom, also essentially like a suite type unit. We're gonna go over the cost, see what it looks like, and give a general consensus to see what you can get for luxury here in Manila, Philippines. We're at the Novotel Hotel right now, and actually it's the 21st or 19th to the 30th floor. They're actually selling studio and 1-bedroom units. Let's go see what they are. This is considered a luxury property, right? Yeah, luxury property. So we're gonna go take a look and see what you get. Okay, so this is Ella, by the way.
Hi.
Yeah, hi. So Ella, how long have you been doing real estate in Manila for?
For a few months.
Oh, a few months? Okay, nice.
So everything that you see here is included, like the cooktop, the exhaust, the cabinets. Yeah, they're actually spacious.
Oh wow, this is nice.
Here's another sink. A separate
The shower
and toilet.
It's 2 shower. Oh, it's a toilet here. Oh, very nice. Then a big vanity here. So did they convert any of this, or this is kind of how it was, and then?
It is kind of how it was, and then people were starting to inquire more because most of the residential units here were sold out, so people were asking for more. So.
Ah, okay. Wow, here's the view. What's his 19th floor, right?
Yeah, the 6th tower of Aqua.
Yeah, the Aqua residence. Yeah, so right here is Makati, and then BGC is right there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just over there. So, and actually they have an entrance now that comes around. They didn't before, so you can actually just walk right over here in the power plant malls right here, which is it's a nice place. So, and then this is a big king size bed.
Yeah.
And then it comes with the TV and everything.
Yeah, everything. It's
fully furnished.
Yeah.
Wow. Was there like any kind of monthly dues or fees for it?
Yeah, but we actually have a promo right now. It's 1 year free of association dues. So
a 1 year free? And then what is it after that?
Well, we can discuss it later.
Oh, okay, cool. Okay, all right, sounds good. So this is the studio, yeah?
This is the studio. This is the one that I showed Uncle George.
Oh, okay. And then how many, what's the square meters on this?
Oh, it's like at least 31 to 32.
31 to 32, okay, nice. And then the price changes, right, when you go higher, obviously?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll show you the other one. It is a twin bed. It's a little bit bigger than the first one that I showed you. But it's the same. A studio unit.
Oh, nice. So you got a little TV, Samsung refrigerator, nice sink, a hot top. And this is like the same price range, or what's the difference between
it's a little bit higher, but only a little bit since it's almost the same.
Oh, okay. They just have the twin, and the shower's a little different. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's nice. All right, and then what's this over here? Is this a little closet?
Yeah, shoe closet.
A little shoe closet here.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. It lights up too.
Yeah. So everything's included. Bedroom that we have.
The smallest one bedroom. Okay, nice.
It's around 45 square meters.
Oh, damn. Oh, this is nice. Wow.
We're actually gonna have another entrance here, which is gonna open by June.
Oh, down there?
Yeah.
Yeah, right down there.
You have a quicker way to BGC.
That's BGC right there, right? The clusters of buildings are right there?
Yeah.
Alright, nice.
So closer area too.
And then this one, okay, so we got the couch, an actual TV, nice little kitchen area. It's got a little, what's that, hot top, right?
Yeah.
Hot top stove, refrigerator.
The exhaust, yeah.
And this is all included, right?
Yeah, everything here.
Okay. There's the 1 bedroom. Oh, this is nice. This is pretty big too.
Yeah.
And we got the, what is that? That's Makati, right?
Yeah.
Still? Yeah. Overlooks Makati. Nice. Yeah, it's right there. That's like Poblacion, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's just literally, it's like right there. They need to make a, well, they do have the walking bridge, but. All right. We got the bathroom here. Man, these are nice. Nice big bathroom. Got the double vanity here. Got the toilet. So here we have the 1 bedroom superior, 75 square meters. This one looks nice. This is 2 bedroom, right?
Yeah. No, it's a bigger one.
Oh, bigger 1 bedroom. Oh, this thing is nice. Dang, it's got the full kitchen here. A lot of countertop space.
Yeah.
Nice dining room, beautiful lights. Wow. We got the nice big couch here.
Check out.
Yeah. Oh, dang. Here's the here's same view. And then sorry. They have access to all the clubhouse just like the rest of the one, right? And then
so besides temples, you have access to aqua's amenities.
Okay. All right.
The pebble.
So here's this, and this is cool. I've never seen like that. Yeah, they got the window into the bedroom.
Yeah.
Wow. Damn, that's nice. This one's 75. I don't know what that is in square feet. And then there's more shoe closet.
Yeah.
More shoe
cabinet. Yeah.
cabinets, some little storage here. Very nice. Another little closet here. It's got a safe in there. Yeah, it's crazy because it's like a hotel room.
Yeah,
but
that's the concept, like hotel fitted, full furnished.
Yeah, this is nice. Damn, this is actually really nice.
Yeah.
Big room. Sure, the bed's not. Oh, don't touch. Oh, don't sit.
Don't sit.
Nice and firm, like I like it.
Yeah, it's hotel quality.
And another big bathroom. Got the toilet, vanity. Oh, this one's got a tub, huh? Wow. Beautiful. All right. And then, so then that's all the units, yeah?
No, we have another 1-bedroom premier and 2-bedroom family suite. You want to check it out?
Yeah, I'll see the 1-bedroom, yeah. What, damn, so there's another even bigger one?
Yeah, it's the biggest.
This one?
It's actually quite famous, yeah, because it has a panoramic view.
What?
Yeah.
Dang, so this is the premier?
Yeah, 1-bedroom premier.
1-bedroom premier. Man, it just feels like we're in a hotel. Oh yeah, here we go. Unit 2001. 1-bedroom premier. All right. Oh wow. Yeah, this thing really opens up. Dang, this is like this is like a half an oval shape. This room is big. They have this really nice chair. Look at this thing. Wow. So they last night they didn't have the lights on Rockwell.
Yeah.
Did
they don't do it every night, but every December it's actually good.
It's for Christmas season?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes they do it, just not every day.
Yeah, because last time I was here, this was all lit up and it was beautiful. Yeah, all the buildings have the lights on the outline of them. Looks really good. Wow, so goes and the room goes all the way around, huh?
Yeah.
So again, just a big dining table. This is really huge. The kitchen's about the same, which is kind of disappointing, but that's all right. And then here's the 1-bedroom here. Wow. So, do you happen to know how much they were renting this out for the hotel per night?
Per night, 13.
13,000? So 13,000 per night? Wow. Yeah, this thing goes around too. Wow, dang, look at this, nice and lit up. This is actually a really nice view over the river here. There's Makati again. Wow, beautiful. Huge sink. This one's kind of like the same, but everything's just a little bit bigger, more spaced out. Toilet and the shower. And some more pantry space. This is gorgeous. Damn. Very nice. So are all the fees the same in all these units, or do they vary they vary with each unit?
It varies on the season.
Oh, on the season? Oh, okay. Very nice. All right. This one, I don't know. So this one is bigger than the other one, huh?
Yeah. It's the biggest 1-bedroom.
Oh, and there's a little front bathroom too. Oh, it's like the powder room.
It's a powder room.
Nice.
And the last one that we'll show you is the 2-bedroom family suite.
2-bedroom family suite?
But technically, this one is bigger than the 2-bedroom.
Really? So that one's 78 to 90 square meters? So who's buying these? Is it people that just want like an apartment or is it like an investment thing?
Mostly
is it a mixture?
investors, yeah.
Mostly, yeah?
Yeah.
Is it a lot of foreign investors? Is it Filipinos?
Yeah.
Is it mixed?
It's mixed.
It's mixed, yeah?
Yeah.
Can you say what foreign countries?
Well,
primarily?
I think Europe. I think
Really?
it's more famous on Europe than US.
In your US, yeah.
From what I've heard from my boss.
Oh, okay.
It's facing Rockwell.
Oh, yeah. Those are the most sought after. So this is the 2-bedroom family suite, 84 to 106. What is this? Square meters?
Yeah. Like
It's in between. So here's the 2-bedroom. Nice, got the kitchen, the big table again. Nice living room. And that's Makati again, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, same view. Right over there. It's the big party area. Then here's is this the main bedroom? Or the master? Are they kind of the same?
It's the master.
It's the master's. Big king bed again.
Yeah.
Nice. I think this place is pretty big. Some more closets, another double vanity. Yeah, nice. They're all pretty much the same. They got little variations. And then we got the other bathroom here. Here we go. And then this one's got the double bed. Yeah, nice. Got the full TV set up here too. And then another bathroom here. All right. Yeah, these are nice. They're all pretty similar, but this is beautiful. So what would you guys say the average monthly bill would be for electricity? I know it varies, obviously, occupant to occupant,
Let's
but
say per year. I think, sir, per year yung monthly dues nasa 100 plus, di ba?
Hindi, monthly yung...
Hindi, yung per year na.
Depende sa unit.
Depende sa unit din.
Per square meter ang
Nga pala.
monthly dues.
Yeah, it kind of depends on the unit.
yeah. So what's the range, do you think? I mean, I know it's tough, but what could, I mean, you can give a range, you know?
For our, I think it's around 8,000 pesos.
Monthly.
Oh, okay. 8,000. And then the Wi-Fi and all that's separate, right?
Yes.
Welcome